Good Lord, 36 years. Congratulations. We're working on it. We're 10. Yeah, I got sent this song and I just loved it straight away. I loved the, I couldn't resist. I fell in love with the chorus, really. It ain't a story as old as time. You should put a capo on. Thank you so much, Chris. I saw you standing there in the wings going, oh, I need that. Gosh, it's funny playing these songs live.
Love it.
Okay. It ain't a story as old as time, just as old as when they first rolled out the assembly line. Everybody knows how it goes. Once upon a time, 4 wheels rolled and a boy gets a truck, truck gets a girl, girl gets a midnight feeling he's the one night turns to love, love turns into one knee down, down payment on a 3-bedroom house filled with the sound of little feet. Then you blink and he's asking for the keys to pick her up. Boy gets a truck.
Oh, love it!
Speeding, flying down a 2-lane. Young love steaming up the windows cause I can't wait. Whispering in your ear, we're trying to keep it on the road. It's been going on for years. A boy gets a truck, truck gets a girl, girl gets a midnight feeling he's the one night turns to love, love turns into one knee down, down payment on a 3-bedroom house filled with the sound of little feet. Then you blink and he's asking for the keys to pick her up. Boy gets the truck. Oh, oh. Well, so slide on over, put her head on his shoulder while the wheels keep turning the world. Every boy gets a truck. Boy gets a truck, truck gets a girl, girl gets a midnight feeling he's the one night turns to love, love turns into one knee down, down payment on a 3-bedroom house filled with the sound of little feet. Then you blink and he's asking for the keys to pick her up. Boy gets a truck. Oh yeah. Boy gets a truck, truck gets a girl, girl gets a midnight feeling he's the one, and boy gets a truck, truck gets a girl, girl gets a midnight feeling going on 36 years now. Boy gets a truck, the truck's brown, some other color which I forgot, black, yes it's very cool, black and brown, so easy to ride, like a tan cow, that's right. Boy gets a truck, yeah, yeah.
Next single! Wait,
All
that's
right.
next single, please. Next single.
I gotta shoot American Idol. You guys have been amazing. Thank you so much for coming in today. And Cameo, thank you guys for organizing all this. Everybody who traveled a long way to come here to this event. And Chris Miller, thank you very much, Ben. How about Chris Miller?
Yeah!
Thank you, bud.
Guitar tech.
We'll see you guys really soon on the road.
Yeah!
Thank you.